Hello friends, recently you might have watched Ramayana on TV. So let's have a round of question and answer to validate how much familiar you are with the epic. Who wrote Ramayana? Answer is Valmiki. How many chapters are there in Ramayana? Answer is 7. In which yuga Ramayana took place? Answer is Tretiya. Ram was born in which dynasty? Answer is Ikshaku dynasty. Which yajna was performed by Dasarath? Answer is Putra Kameshti yajna. Who are 3 wives of Dasarath? Answer is Kaushalya, Kaikeyi, Sumitra. Which of the brothers are twins and who was their mother? Answer is Lakshman and Shatrugna, and mother name is Sumitra. Lakshman was incarnation of which god? Answer is Sheshnag. Which river was flowing in Ayodhya? Answer is Sarayu. Who was the guru of Ram during his childhood? Answer is Vasishtha. Who took Ram and Lakshman on a quest to protect Yajna? Answer is Vishwamitra. Which monsters were killed by Ram and Lakshman while protecting Yajna? Answer is Tadka, Subahu and Marich. Ram lifted the corpse by touching a stone with his feet and the stone turned into a lady. What is the name of the lady? Answer is Ahalya. Who is father of Sita and what is her birthplace? Answer is Father Janak, born in Mithila or Videha. Sita is the foster daughter of Janak. How did Janak found Sita? Answer is when King Janak was plowing a field, Sita appeared splitting earth. Whose bow was broken by Ram during Sita's Swayamvar? Answer is Shiv Dhanush. What are the names of wives of Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrugna? Answer is Lakshman's wife is Urmila, Bharat's wife is Shrutakirti and Shatrugna's wife is Mandavi. What made Dasarath to give 2 boons to Kaikeyi? Answer is Kaikeyi saved his life during war with Asuras. Who gave the evil idea of the boons to Kaikeyi to send Ram to forest? Answer is Manthara. Where did Bharat meet Ram during his exile? Answer is Chitrakoot. In which forest area Ram, Lakshman and Sita were staying? Answer is Panchavati. What was the name of the Rakshasi who tried to become Ram's wife only to have her ears, nose chopped off by Lakshman? Answer is Shurpanakha. Who took the form of golden deer and helped Ravan? Answer is Marich. Which bird fought with Ravan to rescue Sita? Answer is Jatayu. How did Ravan took Sita to Lanka? Answer is in his Pushpak Biman. What was the capital of Monkey Kingdom? Answer is Kiskindha. Where did Sugriv live when Ram met him? Answer is Rishyamukh mountain. Who was the wife of Sugriv whom Vali kidnapped forcibly? Answer is Ruma. Who was wife of Vali? Answer is Tara. How many trees Ram needed to pierce to give confidence to Sugriv? Answer is 7 Sal Vriksha. Who reminded Hanuman of his power so that Hanuman crossed the strait between India and Lanka in one leap? Answer is Jambavan. What did Hanuman show Sita Mata to prove that he is a messenger of Sri Ram? Answer is ring, Mudrika. What did Sita send back to Ram through Hanuman? Answer is Chudamani, jewel worn on her head. Which demoness god was friendly companion of Sita? Answer is Trijata. Sita was imprisoned at which place? Answer is Ashok Vatika. Where did Ram pray to Lord Shiva before construction of bridge to Lanka? Answer is Rameshwaram. Who was appointed as the architect for the bridge or Setu construction? Answer is Nala and Nila, sons of Vishwakarma. Who was sent by Ram as the messenger of peace before the war? Answer is Angad. Which brother of Ravan was caused to sleep for 6 months at a stretch? Answer is Kumbhakarna. Who was Ravan's wife? Answer is Mandodari. What's the name of Bibhishan's wife? Answer is Surama. Who was Mahiravan? Answer is Mahiravan was brother of Ravan and king of Patala, underworld. Who saved Ram and Lakshman from Nagavasa, trap of million snakes? Answer is Garuda. Hanuman lifted which hill to bring Sanjeevani booty? Answer is Dronagiri. Who was the Vaidya or doctor who healed Lakshman? Answer is Susena. Lakshman killed Indrajit using which weapon? Answer is Indrastra. Who provided Ram with a chariot during the final battle against Ravan? Answer is Indra. Who was the charioteer or Sarathi of Ram? Answer is Matali. Ravan was killed by which weapon? Answer is Brahmastra, given to Ram by Agastya. Who became king of Lanka after Ravan's death? Answer is Vibhishan. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel by pressing the subscribe button. Look for our next video.